I'll show you how to add this super trendy character in your videos in DaVinci Resolve. The first step of this effect is to open your clip in the Fusion page. Press Shift plus Spacebar to add a planar tracker. Make a mask around the point you want the character to be. Then change tracker to hybrid point/area and click on Set. Track the video forward. To get this character, check out the link in the description. After the tracking is done, change operation mode to corner pin. Adjust the corner pin so the character is in the right perspective. Press Shift plus Space and add Luma Keyer. Adjust the Luma key until the background disappears. Fix the corner pin until it looks good. Open Keyframes window, then select the correct layer for the character, which in my case is the media in 2. Now you can adjust by dragging on the layer what point of the dance you want to have in your scene. The corner pin is still off, so I'll adjust it once more to really get it looking good. That's basically it.